Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great day. I just want to come on here real quick and just share a quick recipe that I did, hamburger helper. And this is a healthier alternative to something that you buy in a box that's processed. So that's one thing that I try to avoid are a lot of processed foods. Now there are some processed ingredients in this, but you guys know what I mean. So anyway, I'm just going to go through what I did and share it. Oh, first of all, that's my outdoors. And that's my patio, but we got all new furniture, porch swing, rug, all that is going on there in a couple months or so. Okay, so right here in my crock pot. Now, before I did this, I had to cook my ground beef on the stove with some onions, a half a cup of onions, until it was browned. And then I added everything to the crock pot. Okay, so what I did is I put the ground beef in here with the onions, 1.5 cups of beef broth, 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk. They are calling Italian seasoning, but I didn't have that, so I just did some adobo, and I did some garlic powder, and 3 little red bell peppers. And I just put this all in the crock pot, mixed it all together, and then this is on high for 3 to 5 hours, I believe it is. And then 15 minutes before cooking time is done, I'm going to add in some gluten-free brown rice elbow pasta, 3 cups of that. When it's boiling, another cup of beef broth or milk, and for 15 minutes. Cook it on high uncovered, and then you add your half a cup of shredded cheese and you're done. And that's your healthier alternative to hamburger helper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick and easy. Bye. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. And what I had to do for the last 15 minutes, I had to do another cup of liquid. So I did a half a cup of unsweetened almond milk and a half a cup of beef broth, and I just kept the cover off and just let it come to a really good boil. Added that 3 cups of pasta with it, and this is the consistency that it came to. You can add more liquid if you want to. Look at that, guys. It doesn't even come off the spoon. Wow. My family loved it. My poor husband couldn't have it though, but he did try it, but he couldn't have it because he can't have peppers, and I wasn't sure. I thought he could have red peppers. So I'll make sure I'll make it for him next time with no peppers. But yeah, so, and it's very filling, and I served it tonight with a salad. So just wanted to show you the finished product. Okay, sorry about all the noise. All right, guys, thank you for watching. That's the finished product. Isn't that beautiful? Yummy, yummy, yummy. And this is gluten-free pasta, by the way, but you can definitely use regular pasta. Subscribe if you haven't. If you want to see more videos like this and you love content like this, give me a like. I do fashion